Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you the Monopoly Go tips and tricks. So if you want to know what it is, just go ahead and watch this tutorial. So first of all, you need to collect shield faster. Okay, so the shield, as you can see here at the upper right side of your screen, shields block others from damaging your landmarks. Okay, so you can just go ahead and collect minimum of 3 shields here on Monopoly Go. And then here, the second tip and tricks is to just go ahead and use auto roll wisely. Okay, because you may end up in jail. So the next one is gathering a handful of money. Okay, so because once you earn a lot of money, you can invest it. So invest like your landmarks, just like that, and just go ahead and build more landmarks on your empire because it will expand your empire. And this next one is mini games or free source of money. Okay, so next time if you can play in mini game, just go ahead and grab that chance because that is one of the source of money here on Monopoly Go. And the last one is to just try to land on homes. Okay, so because you will get house shaped token, and by using that you can earn to make more money here on Monopoly Go. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.